What if you could explore one of the world's most powerful cities, visit world-class museums for free, and walk through living history, all in just a few days? Welcome to Washington, D.C., where every corner tells a story. This isn't just another travel vlog, it's your curated guide to the best of D.C. in 2025. We'll go beyond the monuments, uncovering hidden gems, unique neighborhoods, and D.C.'s vibrant food and photo scenes. Think of this as your complete playbook for Washington, D.C. I've done the research, walked the miles, and gathered the pro tips so you don't have to. We'll cover everything from booking tickets to finding the best light for your photos. Whether you're a history buff, foodie, or art lover, this guide will help you build the perfect itinerary. So grab a notebook. This is the ultimate guide to Washington, D.C. Let's get into it. First up, the heart of it all, the National Mall, America's front yard. This 2-mile green stretch links the Capitol and Lincoln Memorial, and is the stage for American history. Walk its length to see iconic monuments and most Smithsonian museums, all free to enter. My advice, tackle it in sections, monuments one day, museums another. Don't rush, take your time to soak in the history and design. The mall is the core of the DC experience, you'll want to return. The Washington Monument towers over DC, a 555-foot marble obelisk with a story in its stone. Look for the color change a third of the way up, marking a decades-long construction pause. The real highlight, its observation deck, offering unbeatable city views. Pro tip, reserve your free timed entry tickets online well in advance. They go fast. Don't miss this top-tier DC experience. At the west end of the mall stands the Lincoln Memorial, one of the world's most powerful memorials. Climb the steps and you'll find Lincoln, seated and contemplative, surrounded by inscriptions of his greatest speeches. Visit at sunrise or after dark for the best photos and a quieter atmosphere. The view across the reflecting pool to the Washington Monument is iconic. It's a space for reflection and a must-have DC moment. Just steps from Lincoln, the Vietnam Veterans Memorial is a somber V-shaped wall of black granite etched with over 58,000 names. Its reflective surface connects visitors to those lost, making the experience personal. People leave flowers and mementos, and sunrise is the best time for photos. It's a moving tribute to sacrifice and a vital stop for understanding American memory. Quiet respect is essential here. Between the Washington Monument and Lincoln Memorial, the World War II Memorial stands grand and celebratory. Its plaza, fountain, and 56 pillars honor those who served and sacrificed. The Freedom Wall's gold stars are a poignant touch. Visit at golden hour or after dark for stunning views. It's a place to reflect on the scale of the greatest generation's sacrifice. Across the reflecting pool, the Korean War Veterans Memorial immerses you in history with 19 stainless steel soldiers on patrol. Their reflections in the granite wall double their number, symbolizing the 38th parallel. Look for sandblasted images of real support personnel and a tribute to military dogs. Early morning or light snow makes this memorial especially haunting. It's a powerful, often overlooked sight. The Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History is massive, free, and packed with wonders. Highlights include the T-Rex skeleton, the Hope Diamond, and the immersive Ocean Hall. Don't miss the Butterfly Pavilion for a unique experience. You could spend days here, but even a few hours will spark your curiosity. It's a classic for all ages. Next door, the National Air and Space Museum is a pilgrimage for dreamers and history buffs. See the Wright Flyer, Spirit of St. Louis, and Apollo 11's command module up close. The museum's renovation brings new interactive exhibits. Reserve your free-timed entry pass. The planetarium and updated galleries make it feel brand new. Don't miss this essential stop. Art lovers, the National Gallery of Art is 2 buildings, classic and modern, connected by a dazzling underground concourse. See the only Leonardo da Vinci in the Americas and explore masterpieces from old to contemporary. The outdoor sculpture garden is a perfect spot to relax. Admission is free, and the contrast between the buildings is part of the experience. World-class art, DC style. 2 museums in one, the Smithsonian American Art Museum and National Portrait Gallery, both housed in a stunning historic building. Explore American art and the stories of those who shaped the nation's history. Don't miss the America's Presidents exhibit and the beautiful Kogod courtyard, a perfect spot to unwind. Extended hours make it a great evening option. It's truly a cultural double feature. The newest Smithsonian, this museum offers a powerful journey through African American history and culture. Its striking architecture stands out, but the exhibits inside are unforgettable. Begin underground with slavery, then rise through the civil rights era to modern achievements. Reserve your free-timed entry pass well in advance. Demand is high. It's an essential moving experience. The National Archives is where you'll find America's most important documents: the Declaration of Independence, Constitution, and Bill of Rights. The Rotunda's atmosphere is awe-inspiring. No photos allowed, so just take it in. New interactive exhibits and AI search tools are coming in 2025. Look for rare documents like a draft of the Constitution with Washington's notes. It's a must for history fans. Step off the mall and into DC's musical soul at the GoGo Museum in Anacostia. GoGo is DC's homegrown funk, and this museum celebrates its legends and culture. It's small but packed with memorabilia and stories. Visiting gives you a taste of the city's real rhythm, a must for music fans. At the east end of the mall, the U.S. Capitol is both a symbol and the seat of government. Free tours are led by expert guides. Reserve tickets in advance. The Rotunda, with its soaring dome and historic paintings, is a highlight. Look up to see the apotheosis of Washington fresco. Contact your representative for special tour options. It's a fascinating look inside American democracy. No DC trip is complete without seeing the White House, America's most famous address. Tours are tough to arrange, but the north side offers the classic photo op. For a quieter view, head to the south side across the ellipse. Visit the White House Visitor Center for history and exhibits. Fun fact: 570 gallons of paint are needed to cover the exterior. Across from the Capitol, the Supreme Court's grand columns symbolize justice. The building is open to the public. Walk the Great Hall or catch a free lecture in the courtroom. If you're lucky, you might even witness oral arguments. It's a chance to see where landmark decisions are made, a must for civics fans. Behind the Capitol, the Library of Congress is a Bogart masterpiece. Don't miss the breathtaking Great Hall. Peek into the main reading room from above. It's stunning. See rare treasures like the Gutenberg Bible and rotating exhibits. On Thursdays, enjoy live music and food. Experience the library in a new light. It's DC's most beautiful interior. Georgetown is DC's oldest neighborhood, with cobblestone streets, historic row houses, and upscale shops. Stroll M Street, explore the waterfront, and try the famous cupcakes. The area comes alive at night with restaurants and bars. It's a charming escape from the city's monumental core, a must for shopping, food, and history. Capitol Hill isn't just about government buildings. It's a lively neighborhood with tree-lined streets and historic row houses. Stroll past 19th-century homes for a taste of local life. Eastern Market is the heart. Grab fresh food or browse local art. On weekends, the area buzzes with farmers and artists. It's DC beyond the monuments. For a taste of modern DC, visit the Wharf, a vibrant mile-long waterfront with restaurants, shops, and music venues. Enjoy free concerts, festivals, and water activities like kayaking. The municipal fish market offers fresh seafood daily. Fire pits and roller rinks add to the fun. The Wharf is DC's new entertainment hotspot. In spring, the Tidal Basin explodes with cherry blossoms, a breathtaking spectacle that transforms the city. Visit at sunrise for magical light, peaceful moments, and fewer crowds. The National Cherry Blossom Festival draws visitors from around the world every year. Rent a paddle boat for a unique and memorable view of the blooms. It's DC's most iconic and beloved seasonal event. Escape the crowds at the U.S. National Arboretum, a 446-acre oasis of gardens and trails. The National Capitol columns make for dramatic photos. Explore the bonsai collection and spring blooms. It's a peaceful retreat just minutes from downtown, perfect for nature lovers. The Franciscan Monastery in Brooklyn is a hidden gem, with stunning architecture and peaceful gardens. Explore replicas of Holy Land shrines and Roman catacombs. Guided tours reveal its secrets. The gardens are spectacular in spring. It's a unique, off-the-beaten-path experience. Theodore Roosevelt Island is a wild, wooded escape in the Potomac. No cars, just trails and nature. Hike through forests and marshes and find the bronze statue of Roosevelt at the center. The island honors his conservation legacy. Enjoy views of Georgetown and the DC skyline. It's a tranquil escape from city life. For a thrill, head to Gravelly Point, right under the flight path of Reagan National Airport. Watch planes roar overhead just a few hundred feet above. It's a favorite spot for picnics, photos, and plane watching. The views of the Potomac and DC skyline are fantastic. A simple, unforgettable DC experience. That's a wrap on the best of Washington, D.C. for 2025. From iconic monuments to hidden gems, this city is packed with history, culture, and adventure. Plan ahead for popular spots, but leave room for discovery. Wander a new neighborhood, pop into a small museum, or just people watch on the mall. If this guide helped, hit subscribe and share your favorite DC spot in the comments. Check out our other travel videos for more inspiration. Follow us on Instagram for daily travel tips and behind-the-scenes content. Washington, D.C. is waiting. Start planning your adventure today. The world is full of unforgettable experiences just waiting for you. So get out there, chase new adventures, and make memories that last a lifetime. Like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration and practical tips. Your next journey starts here.